Hey everyone, CJ here from Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our C1R hitch mount pod for the 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started.
Start by getting under the vehicle and locating the OEM trailer harness on the driver's side near the bumper. Disconnect it by pressing down on the two locking tabs and pulling the gray tab downward to release the connection. Once disconnected, you can plug in both sides of the new hitch mount harness by pressing the locking tabs back down. Next, route the DT plug through the opening at the back of the hitch receiver. Now, plug the DT connector into the back of the pod and slide and snap in your hitch mount. Once the pod is installed, turn on the vehicle and test for function. Finally, organize any loose wiring and secure it with zip ties to keep it neatly out of the way of any hot or moving parts.
As you can see, this install takes under 5 minutes and it's packed with features such as additional red running light, high power fourth brake light with an optional strobing feature, and high power reverse light. If you're looking to pick up a C1R hitch mount pod for your truck or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.